Welcome to the Kitchen Pharmacy, where healing begins in your plate. For many years, many of us have depended on medications without realizing that the answers we seek may already be on our plate. I'm here to show you how everyday food can support your body, restore balance, and help you take control of your health naturally. On this channel, you will discover simple and practical ways to use your food as medicine. From healing recipes to natural solutions for everyday health challenges. If you're ready to live healthier, feel better, and take charge of your well-being, then you are in the right place. Subscribe now and let's begin your healing journey, one meal at a time. I am Juliet, the founder of the Kitchen Pharmacy. Here, I will be your guide on this journey.